ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಫಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್, ದ ಫಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್, any person or a corporate body that establishes the fund and registers it with SEBI, form a trust and appoint a board of trustees, appoints custodian and asset management company either directly or through trust to accordance with SEBI regulations. SEBI regulations also define that a sponsor must contribute at least 40% to the net worth of the asset management company. Asset management company acts as an invest manager of the trust under the board, supervision and direction of the trustees. Has to be approved and registered with SEBI, will float and manage the different investment scheme in the name of trust and in accordance with SEBI regulations. It acts in investor uh, interest of the unit holders and reports to the trustees. At least 50% of directors on the board are independent of the sponsor or the trustees. Asset management company, obligations of asset management companies. See, float investment scheme only after receiving prior approval from the trustees and SEBI. Send quarterly report to trustees. Make the required disclosures to the investors in areas such as calculation of NAV and repurchase price. Must maintain a net worth of at least 10 crore rupees at all time. Will not purchase or sell securities through any broker which is average of 5% or more of the aggregate purchases and sale of securities made by the mutual fund in all its schemes. AMC cannot act as a trustee of any other mutual fund, do not undertake any other activity conflicting with managing the fund. Securities of mutual fund, these are the structure of a mutual fund. Custodian has the responsibility of physical handling and safekeeping of the securities, should be independent of the sponsors and registered with SEBI. Depositors, Indian capital market are moving away from physical certificates for securities to demonetized form with depository. Will hold the dematerialized security holding of the mutual fund. See, distribution channel. Mutual funds are primary vehicles for large collective investment working on the principle of pooling funds. A substantial portion of the investment happen at the retail level. Agents and distributors are a vital link between the mutual fund and the investors. Agents is a broker between the fund and the investor and acts on behalf of the principal. He is not exclusive to the fund and also sells other financial services. This in a way helps him to act as a financial advisor. Distribution companies is a company which sells mutual funds on behalf of the funder. It has several employees or sub-broker under it. It manages distribution for several funds and receives uh, commission for its services. Distribution channel, banks and NBFCs, several banks, particularly private and foreign banks, are involved in a fund distribution by providing similar services like that of distribution companies. They work on a commission basis. Direct marketing, mutual funds sell their own product through their sales. Officers and employees of the AMC, this channel is normally used to mobilize funds from high net worth individuals and institutional investors. Thank you.